me see if this shit's streaming, bro. That's what I really want to see right now. No cap. Is this shit streaming, bro? Bro, that's not the thumbnail I wanted, bro. Come on, bro. That trash ass thumbnail, bro. What the fuck? Is this shit streaming, bro? Yeah, the audio's on, but this thumbnail garbage, gang. That shit ass. Can I change that shit on here, bro? Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get this shit started very, very quickly. Just so I can just come on here, chop it up with y'all, explain some shit. If I can't get this to work in like 15 seconds, then I'ma just I'ma just start speaking to y'all boys. Hell no. Hell no. Alright, yeah, I'm just gonna start speaking to y'all boys. So, I'm just going live right now, bro, to just tell y'all, man, like, I ain't gonna cap, bro. The account is gone. I did lose my funding account. That shit, I ain't gonna lie, that shit did hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie, like that shit did hurt. Like when I lost my account, bro, that shit. And when I blew the account, I didn't blow the account. But you know them combines where you got a trailing drawdown. So basically for that whole month, I lost my account in 1 month because I was break even. Like I would get up some and then I'll come back to break even. I'll get up some, come back to break even. I just kept doing that until the trailing stop eventually came to my break even point. I lost the account. And I ain't gonna lie, like that shit kinda had me salty as hell. And that shit really kinda had me salty because it was like, bro, I lost my funding account because I was fucking break even. You know what I'm saying? I lost the account because I was break even. So I vowed to myself at that point, I will never take a combine with a trail and stop. I don't care. I would never take one. And I see a lot of prop firms are implementing the trail and stop because they know, like, okay, because I ain't gonna lie, like, I'm gonna keep it a buck. The whole prop firm model is they want you to fail. Like, from the my Forex fund situation, bro, we know it's a risk. I'm not saying I'll never use a prop firm, but the whole model based on the prop firm is, bro, we want you to lose so bad. They can cover it up like, oh, we got training and we teach you how to do this, but the reality is, like, you want niggas to fail, bro. Just keep it a buck. You can be like, oh, I'm from the trader. The reason why y'all start these business models is because y'all want niggas to fail. I'm not mad at it, bro, but that's just the whole thing. So when you come with these trailing stops and all these strict withdrawal rules, bro, it's because them niggas just want niggas to fail. You know what I'm saying? But I took some stuff from that L. I took some stuff from that L I had, man. Uh, that L I had, I pretty much just took from it like, okay, I didn't really know my strategy as good as I knew my strategy right now. Like, I'm just keeping the book. I didn't know my strategy as good as I did now. And I learned, like, I'm staying away from the 1 minute, the 2 minute, 3, and the 4. I'm only executing on the 5 and the 15. Why exactly? Because I'm fucking trash on the anything under 5 minutes. So even if you miss the setup, I'm not trading on it. I got my discipline better. It's a lot of things I learned from that. And if I was actually like really, really profitable with my strategy, the trail and stop wouldn't have mattered. But it still put a lot of pressure on me because I'm like, okay, I'm getting break even. I got up some, I lost. The trailing stop is right there. I'm thinking about the trailing stop in the back of my mind. I just rather prefer to just trade without a trailing stop. But and I'm sick too, bro. I swear every time I try to post on here, I'm always fucking sick. Also, too, bro, I've also decided that I will not be using prop firms until I get my account to 5 to 10,000. My real account to 5 to 10,000. And the reason for this is, bro, I already know a lot of people are gonna say something about what I'm finna say. That's why I got a video prepared. But when I start trading, bro, I'm finna trade. I'm finna use 5% per trade. I already know niggas in the comments finna be like, "Oh my god, you're gambling. You're over leveraging. You're over leveraging." Because it's a known thing in the Forex community where it's like, okay, it's only 1% per trade, 2% max, right? And if we go off that logic, you're not gonna make any money unless you have like 10,000 in your account. Like, let's just keep it a buck. Unless like you just go for super high risk rewards and you're winning all the time. That's just the thing. Like, okay, 1% of 10,000 is 100. If I go for 1 to 2s, those are $200 days. That's solid. But you need 10,000 to do that. That's why we go to prop firms. We go to prop firms because, okay, we can we can still get these type of profits without necessarily just, you know what I'm saying, without necessarily just having to stack up 10,000 for it. But this is my mindset though. Like, futures and stocks doesn't they don't have that same they don't have that same saying as the Forex community. I'm gonna give you an example. Y'all know Aristotle is. Aristotle is literally one of the faces of stock trading and options. And let's watch the video and see what he says on risk management. I got it prepared because I already knew niggas was gonna say something.
It's called 20 rule. So what it means is you're going to use 20% of your account and then take profits at 20%. So let's just say I have $2,500 to start off with trading. I'm going to use $2,500, right? So every finger that you see that I have equals $500, correct? So 500, 500, 500, 500, 500, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 20% of my account, $500. Then I'm going to take profits at 20%, which is $100. So let's just say I do that 5 times and get all trades right that day. I take 5 great trades and I take profits at 20%. That is $500 using $2,500, right? So now my account is up 3,000. Now that is if everything goes right. If you follow, which is my next step, which is a.
All right, that's the only part I really just wanted to show y'all boys. And the main reason why I said that is because them niggas on stocks is literally risking like 10 to 20% of their account, and it's kind of like, yo, like at first I'm like, yo, that's crazy. But then I was like, bro, I understand that's why they don't want to use prop firms, right? So I know a lot of people still gonna be like, nah, bro, you shouldn't be risking 5%. I'm confident in my strategy. I'm, and my voice fucking up. I'm confident in my strategy now. You get what I'm saying? Like, I've been back testing OD. Like, after these 3 plus years, this is the most confident I've been in my strategy. You feel me? Like, and I've just been working on my discipline in multiple areas, and I really just feel like I'm on point with my strategy. Now I still lose, yes, but I go for 2R, meaning if I win 5 times and I lose 5 times, I could be 50%. I'm still profitable. I'm still up 5R. So this really helped me out a lot because I know anybody who's been watching this channel, I've been going for 1 to 1s. I used to go for 1 to 1s, and that it used to be hard for me because even if I won 3, 4 in a row, I can turn around and lose 2 in a row, and all my profits are literally gone. But 2Rs helped me a lot because I can be having a terrible week and still be in profit or still be break even. Next week win like once or twice and I banged out. You feel me? So my goal is just to get my account to 5,000, and at that point I'll be risking like 250 a trade, right? I'll be risking 250 a trade, getting a $500 days. Once I get that much in my real account, I will use the days of profit to get prop firms. I ain't gonna lie, like with prop firms, bro, I'm just so over the passing phase, bro. I just want to just take them hoes and just pass in like a day or two or in the same week. Some people might be like, bro, that's bad, but that's why I want the real account. The real account is what I risk properly. And I forgot to tell y'all this. I want to break this down so you guys really understand why I came up with why I was going to risk 5% per trade. So I showed y'all Aristotle what he said. I'm not risking 20% or 10%. I ain't gonna lie. But let's just say we got a prop firm right. We passed. We got a prop firm. We passed, and it's 100K, and you can't lose no more than 10%. The max you can lose is 10%, which is 10,000. So a lot of us, when we pass a prop firm, we're only risking 0.5% per trade. And guess how many losses you have when you risk 0.5% per trade? You have 20. So if I get a real account and I risk 5%, I have to lose 20 times to blow my account. So if you're saying 5% is over leveraging on a real account, you have to say the same thing if you pass a prop firm and you're risking 0.5. If that was the case, then if you truly wanted to risk 1% of your account, you would be risking 0.1. But we all know we're not finna do that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie, we're not finna do that shit on no prop firm, man. Like, we just keep it in the buck. Like, we're not doing that. And that's just how I feel about it. I'm like, okay, I want a real account and I want to see how I can trade on a real account. Also, I'm finna just start doing live trading videos, win or lose. I'm just gonna be posting them because I actually fuck with that. Like, I follow some people on YouTube and they post stuff like that. I fuck with it. Like, they just post them live trading, win or lose, and I really fuck with that because it just shows the real side of trading. They can lose, they can over leverage and stuff. I don't over leverage anymore. Like, I'm very disciplined on my risk management and placing 2 trades a day, and I'm done. And that's just pretty much my plan, bro. Like, if I get my account to 10K, boy, it's and I'm getting $1,000 days. I'm risking 500 for a band. I ain't gonna lie, I might go part time at my job. I definitely might go part time for sure. Like, that's just pretty much on my mind. So now that we got risk management out the side, people can say whatever they want. I pretty much got my mind set for that. At first, I was thinking like 10, but I was like, nah, 10 is way too much. You only got 10 tries. I feel like 0.5% is good. Even in prop firms, I mean, not 0.5, 5%, 20 times. Even in prop firms, we're risking 0.5. So by that motto, like if you say I'm gambling for risking 5%, you have to say that you're gambling, risking 0.5 on a prop firm, which we know is not gambling. That's just my opinion on it. Now, I've been hearing a lot of bad things about Hanko trade. I was literally just finna put like 500 in Hanko trade. I've been hearing a lot of bad things about it, man. I'm like, bro, what can I trust in the Forex community? Bro, I love the Forex community. I love AU. I love GJ. I love GU. But it's just like every time I'm finna do something, bro, it's always a fucking scam. God damn shit. It's always a fucking scam, bro. Why? Why, bro? I'm finna get into my Forex funds again. You know what I'm saying? I'm finna go to my Forex funds. I'm like, alright, bro. I like their price. I'm finna get right back into them. Scam. Alright, I'm finna put my money in Hanko trade, man, so I can have some more leverage and stuff like that. I mess with AU, GU, GJ. I can trade NAS on there. I hear that they scamming and not giving withdrawals. It's just it's just too much scams going on, bro. It's too much scams, bro. And because I was finna make a return, I was finna make a comeback on Hanko trade, even though I know the spreads wasn't gonna be as good as futures. But I, I when I lost my account for like 2 weeks, I was just live simming and just back testing OD, AU, GJ, GU. I'm like, man, I fuck with these pairs, man. I can't wait to come back to Forex. And I just start hearing bad things. So I have been back on the futures, man. I'm not gonna cap, man. I've been back on it, bro. I got my account loaded and everything already. It's just it's just hard for me to trust shit associated with Forex. And then I want to do the regulated brokers, right? I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna do the unregulated. I'm gonna go to the regulated brokers. Bruh, in the United States, the regulated Forex brokers, they're not allowed to you're not allowed to trade indices. So I'm like, bro, that defeats the whole purpose, bruh. That defeats the whole purpose, man. So now it's just like, well, I guess I just gotta use futures. I fuck with futures though, but I like Forex too, bro. Like I really fuck with the community. It's just they got the most scams of all time. But I still got love for them though, regardless of what happens. Like I still got love for the Forex community, man. I still fuck with them. God damn. And that's just how I feel, bro. That's just a little update, man. I am still sad about the account, bro. Uh, definitely sad about the account, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, just think about it. Imagine losing a prop firm account, bro, for being break even. Like, that's why I can't do that trail and stop shit no more, bro. I'm sorry. And I actually was really doing good with my risk management, bro. I was really being disciplined. Now, I did break my rules sometimes. I never over traded. You know what I'm saying? But one of the rules that I broke was going on a lower time frame. And I had to realize, like, for me, I feel like one of my best abilities is putting everything in perspective. So I'm gonna give y'all perspective, man. If you liking this, go ahead and like the vid, man. Go ahead and like that vid. But everybody has a different player build. When I was hooping, man, I wish I could just goddamn Rick through come down the lane and just dunk on a nigga. I had no bounce. Like all my bounce was gone when I hurt my groin. You know what I'm saying? All my bounce was gone. So guess what? Instead of, you know what I'm saying, you shake, bro, you rip through, you gonna have to hit him with that goddamn one dribble pull up ski. That's how I view trading. That's how I view trading, bro. Like, you're not good on the 1 minute. You're not them niggas. You're not some of them ICT niggas. You can't. You're not. You're not good on the lower time frame. It's been evident around this time. You're better on the 5 and the 15 minute. You get what I'm saying? You're better on those type of time frames. Like, yes, it the 1 minute when you went on the 1 minute, you feel like a god. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's just ego. It's you know what I'm saying? Because you're getting people are sitting in trades for hours, long periods of time to get what you can get on the 1 minute in 15 minutes. But I'm just not good on the lower time frame. I can't do what them niggas do. And that's cool, bruh. Just like some niggas are good at getting 1-to-1s, they got high win rates, they don't like going for high R. They can do that. They don't have the mental capacity to sit there and hold trades a lot, but they got high strike rates for the 1-to-1. They can do that. You gotta play into your build, nigga. If you got a lockdown defender build, what the fuck are you doing trying to ISO niggas and pull from half court? Nigga, you need to be guarding, bruh. You need to be guarding that nigga. You need to be guarding the best player and spamming the square. That's what you need to be doing. Like, you trying to run the offense, bro. You getting your shit clamped, bro. That's not your player build. And that's just what I had to realize too, bro. Like, you're not good on the 1 minute. Stop it. You're not good on the 2, the 3, the 4, bro. You're good on the 5 and the 15-minute game. Stick to that. And I just had to tell myself that shit, bro. I literally just had to tell my shit that, like, over and over and over and over and over again, man. Until I learned my lesson, I'm back testing, I'm live simming, and I'm really seeing like, okay, yeah, like the 5 and the 15 minute, you're good at it. And I'm not gonna lie, during the combine, sometimes I will break that. I wouldn't be patient. I'm on the 5 minute. I'm like, bruh, it's not forming the setup I want, bruh. I'm finna just go to the 2 minute. We finna get in this fair value gap. Break. I'm sitting there like, damn, I just wasted a trade today on a 2 minute trade, bruh. And then not knowing if you just would have just waited 15, 20 minutes, you would have seen that it had a break structure on the 5 minute, came back to an order block, and it took off. And now you wasted a trade on that. You just wasted that shit, bro. So it was just a lot of learning, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It was a lot of learning. I'm not gonna sit here and say like it was all the rules' fault, man. I definitely take some accountability in that, man. But it just like at the end of the day, bro, I lost that break even. Literally, I lost that break even, bro. It's not. I'm mad. I'm mad about it, but at the same time, I just use it as a lesson. Like me passing the combine gave me hope. Anybody who's been following me for this channel, bro, I go kind of in phases where I get hope and I lose hope, get hope and lose hope, get hope and lose hope. So me passing that combine and getting some strides in it, even if I lost the account at break even, it still gave me hope. Like, okay, maybe I do have the skills to do this shit, man. Cause I see a lot of new traders and stuff, right? They're like 1 year in, and they're showing their live tradings and shit, bro. They're live trading, and they're doing really good. They're doing really good, and a lot of people follow them because they getting hope and shit. You know what I'm saying? Even I follow them. I like seeing the journey. I like seeing what they're doing. But for me, like when you're like 3+ years in, bro, it's really hard to keep hope, bro. And you know what I'm saying? I really needed that, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cause I ain't gonna lie, you gotta be your biggest supporter, bro. You gotta be your biggest supporter. Cause if you not, it's over with, bro. It's over with. But I have been doing other stuff too, bro. Y'all know I'm good with the credit, man. I got. If y'all want to know, bro, I got a Discord for that. But it's just really just trying to keep hope with the trading, bro. But I understand the concepts a lot, man. I made tweaks to my strategy. I understand that shit a lot, for sure. I for sure understand that shit so much better. Like it's not even funny, bro. Like I really feel like I have what it takes now, bro. What's fucking those? But I really feel like I have what it takes to be profitable trade now, bro. Like I got my strategy. This was the main shit I was missing for all these years, bro. Going back and forth with supply and demand, ICT. Literally the same cycle over and over again. I swear to God, bro. The same cycle over and over and over. I go to supply and demand. I'm going for 1-to-1s. Not really profitable because I win two, lose two. Win one or win two, lose one. Not really going anywhere. I go to ICT. I don't understand that shit. Just losing every fucking trade. Losing every fucking trade. Just going back and forth. I was literally doing that shit for like a year, maybe a year and a half. And then I just realized I just had to make a decision. That shit really goes back to that's just the type of person I am, bro. I ain't gonna lie. For the longest, I would grow my afro out, cut that shit off to get waves. Grow my afro out, cut that shit off to get waves. On 2K, I had to have every player build. I can never choose. I have a point guard. Well, nah, that's kind of different. But nah, that's what I used to do. I have a point guard, get a big man. Oh, nah, this build is popping. Let me get this build. Oh, no, this build is popping. Let me go get that build. You know what I'm saying? Like, just kept doing that shit, bro. But now I actually have a set strategy. I told myself, like, I'm not going back to supply and demand because I can't get high RRs off that consistently, bro. And I know ICT shit I can, and I have been getting I have, you know what I'm saying? Like sometimes like it likes to reverse at 1 to 2, but I've traded it on higher time frames, like just using the 1 hour. And I've literally held trades, like I've day traded it for hours. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm ready to put money behind it, but I'm tired of sitting here waiting on these fucking combines, waiting on these phases and shit. I'd rather trade with real pay and get $50 a trade than to sit here and keep doing these fucking phases again, bro. I'm sorry. That's just the point I'm at. I failed a lot of combines. So if you just watching this, bro, this don't apply to you. This just applies to me for real. I'm just tired of that shit, man. I'm tired of getting my hopes up on a combine and then some shit happen. Or I have a really good week. I can't withdraw. Some shit happen. You know what I'm saying? But I take responsibility of me losing the combine. I definitely could have did better. But also too, I had to realize that my homie, like my strategy that I've been using, I finally got my model right. I haven't even been using for 6 months. So I finally got it right. I've been using it for around like 3 months. Like 3 months. So I've definitely gotten way better with it, man. But if y'all got any questions, man, you know what I'm saying, you can say something, bro. But yeah, live trading videos definitely coming up. Like live trading videos, I fuck with them. Like I haven't posted a live trading video in so long. Well, I did for that funding account, but I be seeing them. They be posting them like every week. I just find that shit fascinating. I'm like, man, I fuck with that. They be growing crazy on there too. So that's what I really want to do. And I ain't gonna lie, I was gonna make a video like when y'all see me go live and shit. It just means like I tried to record this video like 2 3 times, but I ain't gonna lie, nigga didn't feel like editing, and I'm sick. But I just want to chop it up with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with everybody who follow me, man. Everybody be showing me love. Talk to some people in the Discord. It's always love with everybody, man. I really fuck with y'all boys, man. No cap. No cap. But yeah, man, like I'm gonna try to be more active in the Discord too. It says, can you explain your entry reasoning for getting into trades? Oh yeah, for sure, for sure, for sure. Let's go to big charts, man. What was going on? Why do I got these green lines? Alright, let me go to trading view. Go to big Nasdaq. This is stocks and shit. Yeah, sometimes I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes I be trading stocks just for practice, even though I know I'm not. I just be trading them hoes for practice. Okay, so here I think this is a good example over here. What did it look like on the daily though? Okay, bet. So this is an order block. I don't know why I put fair value gap. So we tapped this daily fair value, this daily order block right here. We came up some, and I kind of looked for. It didn't break under here, but I kind of looked for it breaking under the body of the candle. So we broke under the body of the candle and came back to the daily order block. We came back to the daily order block. It took out liquidity right here. Took liquidity out. Had a break of structure. Like I said, look, it broke below the bodies of this order block and came back into a 1 hour order block. And I know this shit looks ugly as hell. And then we had a whole 15-minute fair value gap. So that's just kind of how like I get into trades now. Like I don't necessarily, and you see where it ran to. What it look like on the 5 minute though? Yeah, I would have just got in on the 15. I'm not gonna lie, and that's just pretty much what I do every time. Like I just, but before like when I was trading on the combine, I was on the 2 minute, so I wouldn't wait for these type of moves, and I go from 1 to 2 every single time. Bro, it's doing that bullshit again. Come on, man. I go for, you get what I'm saying? So it's based off a daily time frame. But this was This was afternoon session. So we going off New York session. We took out liquidity right here. Because I would have been trying to go back to that daily order block. And we took out a daily low. So we took out a daily low and liquidity. Where is that shit at, guys? And we came back into a 1 hour gap. But when that shit. Yeah, around 7 it dipped back in there. And as soon as we dip back in that gap, I'm looking for a break of structure. So, like right here. And also, too, I'm going to just remove this. This is one thing that I realized, too, bro. So, in this area right here, I'm just finna. Can I just goddamn rewind this shit? So, it doesn't necessarily have to take out. One thing I realized back testing OD, it doesn't necessarily just have to take this liquidity out. It can still form as like a support and resistance type of trade. So say it couldn't break past this level, but we're already in a higher time frame fair value gap or order block or something. Once we get like a break of structure, right? It's already confirming that it's going to the upside. We can get into a gap, maybe like put it under it, just depending on where you want to put it. I go for 1 to 2. And then let's just say we wanted to leave a runner to the daily. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty much just how I trade. Look at this bastard. That's just pretty much how I really trade, bro. I just use the higher time frame and I just scale down from the 15 to the 1. It was doing some bullshit. Even in this situation, it respected a 1 hour fair value gap. And it's like, one thing I had to realize too is like, bro, why are you on the lower time frame when you're trash? I'm not saying don't use the lower time frame. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying for me, why would I use it and I'm trash? Like I'm trash with the lower time frame. When we can see you have plenty of opportunities, plenty of setups with the 15 and the 5 minute on a daily basis. Like some days the market just might be trash as fuck, but and see even with this right here, okay, we tapped this 1 hour order block, right? But we didn't take out the liquidity, but we still tapped into a higher time frame. And look, we got resistance up here. And we broke structure. We broke this candle. You could have easily just got into this 5 minute fair value gap. Not fair value gap, order block. You could have just easily got into that 5 minute order block. Put your stops right here. And got your 1 to 2, bruh. You could have just got your 1 to 2. So you got plenty of opportunities. Like the market just keeps going back and forth. And that's just one thing I had to realize. Now sometimes I look at the EMAs, but that's when we're trending a lot. Because sometimes it's going to be reversals. You're not even really just going to know. Also use divergence a lot. A lot. So just like this example on NASDAQ. So say on NASDAQ we never took out Linden Low. But on the ES, it would show like this is not the right one. On the ES, it would show like, okay, we took out the Linden Low and took off. You get what I'm saying? So I love divergence. I use divergence a lot. And I just understand my model a lot more, bro. Like I don't feel like a brick machine no more. I feel confident. If I put paper in the market, I can make some money. It just I'm just getting tired of the whole prop firm thing right now. I'm not gonna lie, because obviously niggas want you to lose, bro. But it's still a good opportunity. No lie, it's a great opportunity. It's just I'm just kind of really tired of that whole process right now. I'm not gonna lie. Like, but nah. And then too, also I've been I told y'all I've been trying to do shit with the credit. Man, let me tell y'all what happened, bro. Y'all niggas not gonna believe this shit. So I've been posting on my TikTok, just about credit and stuff, so I can get some more clients. I made a credit. I made a Discord for credit, and it's like 50 a month. But it's not. It's not meant for you to pay $50 every single month. It's meant for you to pay 50 that one month. If you got a whole bunch of questions, you can go ask. I got courses in there all about the credit shit. Like you watched all the courses. Come ask me. You got any questions and shit. That's what it was meant for. So I'm making videos on TikTok and shit, right? I made a video of like scams you cannot fall for in 2023, right? And I made a video. It was like, okay, don't let nobody get your bank information. You know, like when them scammers, you post them like, BOA, do, tap in, tap in. I posted that. I'm talking about maybe 30 minutes, an hour later, but that video is going crazy. Like it's like it got like 5,000 views already, bro. It's a whole bunch of scammers in the comments, like, bro, you goofy as hell, bro. You dumb as hell, bro. Fuck you, nigga. Like, niggas putting the gun emojis, like, bro, when I see you, bro, I'm popping your ass. I'm like, what the like, them niggas was going crazy. They was literally spamming me, like, I never seen niggas spam that much in my life. It's just like a scammer got my video, put it into a Telegram filled with all the scammers in ATL, and them niggas was going crazy, bro. And so I had took the comments off. My homies is like, bro, what you doing, bro? Like, that video gonna blow up. I'm like, bro, that shit bad for business, nigga. I'm like, that shit bad for business, bro. I got all these goddamn scammers spamming in my comments. Like, I want people who want to learn about the credit on my video. They're like, bro, any publicity is good publicity. I'm like, bro, I don't want Jay got bands in my comments spamming me. You know what I'm saying? Saying like, fuck you, like, you know what I'm saying? But that shit like almost at like 10,000 right now on TikTok, bro. I had to turn the comments off, bro. If I would have left it up, it definitely would have exploded. But I don't know how many clients I would have just got off that. You know what I'm saying? Like they was just spamming the nigga. I ain't never seen. I didn't think scammers got into their feelings like that, bro. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Them niggas going crazy in my shit. And I talked to one of my homies. He used to scam. Like he changed his life around and shit. He like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The scammers do their research, bro. They might have got your information. I'm like, no, no, bro. I did a lot to get my credit right, man. I did a lot, bro. But one of my main goals is if I ever become profitable, bro, I want to be the first nigga to like have all that credit information and have like the trading shit in one Discord, bro. That shit would be god tier. But honestly, though, I don't really have too much of a passion for credit like that. I'm really just doing the credit shit for money. This is the shit I love. This is the shit I love, man. Like I'll never get tired of just being at the charts talking about charts and shit, bro. I love this shit, man. But I feel like that's what it takes to be profitable, bro. Because if you don't love this shit, you definitely gonna quit. Like after like 6 months in a year, no results, you're quitting for sure, 100%. But also, I feel like that's why I haven't really got too many clients like that. Because I will go kind of hard at it, and then I'll be like, bro, I'm finna get on the charts, gang. I ain't gonna lie. That's just how it is, bro. I love the charts, bro. I love futures. I love stocks. I love Forex. I love this shit, man. Like, it's, and I just see other traders and shit, bro. It's no better lifestyle than being a trader. It's no better lifestyle. I don't give a fuck. It's no better lifestyle than being a profitable trader. I just be they niggas be just taking random trips to Dubai, bro. You can literally just make money in the morning, and just enjoy the rest of your day. I mean, unless you an athlete or something, you in the NBA. But then even then, it's just kind of like you can't do that shit forever. You know what I'm saying? Like you can do this shit till you an old man. You can literally do this shit until you're an old man. It's just I love all the markets. I just the candlesticks, man, the money. I just love that shit, man. I'm pretty sure everybody kind of feel the same way about that shit, bro. That's just how I feel. Like, but if you don't really love this shit, man, it's not like sports where you don't have to love the sport to get far in it because you are born with skill and talent. If you don't love this shit, bro, you won't make it. Because it takes time, bro. It takes years, bro. It takes dedication, bro. Even when you're breaking up a storm, you can't get your strategy right. You over leveraging this shit, bro. Why do you continue to keep doing this shit? Why do you continue to keep buying prop firms? Why do you continue to keep funding your account? It's because deep down you love it, bro. Deep down you love it, and you just feel like I can do this shit. It's like a fat ass Rubik's cube. It just like even you keep failing to put that shit together, bro. You like, bro, hell no. Nah. Like if I just quit, bro, hell no. Nah, I'm gonna get this Rubik's cube right, bro. That's just how I feel about it, bro. And I just really just see the market way, way better now, bro. Like so much better now. Like I just see it. I just see it better now. I kind of simplified what I was doing. You feel me? Oh, I'm hungry as fuck, man. I don't even know what the hell I'm finna eat. I don't even know what the fuck I'm finna eat, bro. Nigga might get some Chipotle. Anything, bro. But it's crazy, bro. I gotta show y'all a video too, bro. Like whenever I make it, bro. Whenever I make it, bro, niggas can't tell me anything, bro. Cause watch what I'm finna show y'all. I had this video saved. I'm gonna like if I ever have a montage and shit, bro. I'm gonna put this in here, bro. But hold on, look at this shit, bro. Look at the year. This is 2021. You can even look at my dreads and shit, bro. Like that shit. Alright, we on this one, man. Like this is the one I had lost my first channel. I deleted it on accident. But this was all the way in 2021, bro. And one day I want to be able to make a montage, like even to myself right now. Like, bro, this is how many years it took, bro. Like, I've really been on the grind with this shit, man. Like, look, the background different, bro. I think this was like a combine I was taking back then too. I was on the combines and shit, and I actually never truly grew a real account. That's why my mindset now is just like I'm going to grow an account until I get to 5,000, and then I will get back into prop firms. If I don't have a real account at 5,000, bro, then I'm not trading prop firms. Even if 5,000 is a good amount for me, 5,000 is a really good amount for me. Because, like I said, I'm gonna be risking 200 per trade or 250 per trade, getting $500 days. I get a $500 day. I can use that for a combine. You feel me? But yeah, every time I look, I saved this video just for motivation purposes. Like, bro, you've been grinding for this long, bro. You know what I'm saying? You can't give it up. But I have been making strides, bro. Like, I am no longer just breaking every single trade. I'm no longer that type of KJ no more. Now it was just really just about fine tuning your model, staying disciplined, and just getting right, getting the capital. And that's all it is, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. It's gonna be a grind because I'm finna get 2 jobs. I'm finna get my second job. I'm getting my second job, and literally the whole entire time, bro, every single penny from that job, I am throwing in my trading account. Like throwing all that shit in my trading account, bro. All that shit until I can get to my shit to 5 bands, bro. Cause if I can get 500 to or $1,000 days and shit, bro, that's all I need, bro. And I go part time. Like my goal for next year, I might get there before the year over with. I don't know. I don't know what this story or this journey entails for me, but I want to go part time. Like if I'm getting 500 to $1,000 days, I'm going part time, bro. I'm going part time. But also, what's helped me with my trading journey is starting another business. Like it just doesn't get my mind wrapped around fully around trading. Now, this might be for me. Like it's different for other people, but when I was just strictly trading, I like no plan B, no plan B, which works for some people. When I lose, bruh, it's so much worse on my mental. I'm so much more mad. I'm like, bro, oh my god, put in all this time, bruh. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like that's when a nigga just got down, get his phone and launch that shit. That's literally all, bro. But I'm probably finna wrap this live up, man. I pretty much talked about everything I wanted to talk about, man. You know what I'm saying? Well, do I want to talk about one more thing? I don't even know what the hell to talk about. I ain't gonna lie. I put down in my notes what I wanted to talk about. We talked about that shit. I'm sick as hell. Literally sick as hell. But yeah, man. Appreciate all y'all boys for watching this live, man. I just wanted to give y'all a quick recap of what I'm thinking, what's going on, bruh. What happened with my combine, bruh. Y'all know I'm 100% transparent. I don't really care what a nigga has to say. And nah, I saw the most hating shit today, bruh. Like, oh my god. Like, so it was just one futures trader, right? And he was posting all his trades, win or lose. Like, if he's losing 2,000, he posted. If he wins, he was posting it. And bruh in the comments was like, bruh, he was like, bruh, keep the videos up, man. It was starting off pretty good. He got me in the first half. He was like, keep the videos up because this is like the buried gold. I love seeing this, but I love seeing you get on here and lose all the time because it makes people realize trading is not that easy. It makes people realize trading is not that easy. I want you to take a break and come back and say that you had to get a real job and that you trade sometimes. I love seeing people lose, man. That's where the real content is from. Like he was just going. It was a whole paragraph of him saying like, "Bro, like I want you to fail because it's good content." I'm like, "Damn, gang, like you good? You good in the head, bro?" But it's some people like that. Like some people, they get off on people not winning because they didn't win. And I'm not like that. Like it's people who've been training for like a year. I can kind of tell they're newer to trading. They've been trading for like a year and they're getting some consistency. I'm not sitting over there hating. You gotta leave a comment on the video. I'm like, bro, man, keep going, man. I've never been a hating ass nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, even though it's took me like 3+ years, and I'm still not fully consistent. Even though I've made strides, yes, but I've never been a hating ass nigga. If there's people I see doing that thing and they only been trading for 1 year, and they making constant strides, I'm like, bro, I'm commenting like, bro, keep going, bro. I fuck with your content. I never been a hating ass nigga, bro, because I know like that hating shit not gonna get you rich, bro. That hating shit not gonna get you nowhere, bro. Like being a hating ass nigga is not gonna do anything for you ever. It's never gonna do anything for you at all. Like I show love to everybody, bro. Even I never felt salty. If somebody's been profitable in the year and I'm still not profitable, bro, I'm not gonna be like, oh, how are them niggas profitable? I'm like, bro, that nigga he doing his shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I always leave love, man. That's the type of nigga I am. That's the type of nigga I am. No, I ain't gonna sit here and say like in the past that didn't affect me. Like not on no hating shit, or I'll just be on some shit like, bro, I'm busting my ass, bro. And there's people out here getting it way faster. Like, am I doing it wrong? Is this shit even meant for me, bro? So comparison can kill joy, like, you know what I'm saying? But you never know their circumstance. You never know what's going on, bro. But that's the end of this live, man. Niggas getting sick, man. I need to go get some goddamn daytime Mucinex, bro. And that's it in the live. I appreciate everybody who came in here, dropped a like, man. I'm out.